Our DNA contains the instructions for making all of the proteins in our bodies. Watch What is a Protein to learn about the different things proteins can do. So, how do we get from DNA to proteins? This flow of information is known as the central dogma of biology. A section of DNA that contains the instructions to make one protein is called a gene. A complex machine called the ribosome needs to read the instructions and use them to build the protein. But there is a problem. The DNA is huge and stuck inside the nucleus of the cell, while the ribosome is outside the nucleus. Since the DNA can't leave the nucleus, the cell makes a copy of just the instructions for one protein. The copying process is called transcription, and a molecule similar to DNA, called RNA, is used to make the copy. This piece of RNA is small enough to leave the nucleus and bring the instructions to the ribosome. The ribosome reads the instructions and builds the protein in a process called translation. So in the central dogma of biology, we say that information flows from DNA to RNA to protein. To learn more about how transcription and translation work, click here.